everyone, welcome back to Faster Cars channel. Today we're excited to share with you the latest updates on the 2025 Rivian R1S. This electric SUV has been making waves in the automotive industry, and we're here to give you the lowdown on what's new, what's changed, and what you can expect from this beast of a vehicle. So let's dive in! So, what's new for 2025? Well, the biggest change is the addition of more power to the R1S quad model, which now generates 4-figure horsepower and torque outputs. That's right, folks, this thing is a rocket ship. Additionally, Rivian has made some suspension adjustments to improve road manners and reduce the number of CPUs and wiring in each vehicle. Now let's talk about the engine options. The 2025 Rivian R1S comes in 4 mechanical flavors spread across 2 trim levels. The base dual standard model starts at $77,700, while the Tri-Max model retails at $107,700. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can opt for the 1,025 horsepower quad model, which won't be available until 2025. So, how does the R1S perform in terms of fuel economy? Well, estimated range varies from 258 miles in base dual standard models to 410 miles in dual max. And if you need to tow something, don't worry, the R1S has got you covered with a towing capacity of 7,700 pounds. Safety is a top priority for Rivian, and the R1S comes equipped with 8 airbags, 10 cameras, and a dozen ultrasonic surround sensors. You'll also get features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic warnings, and adaptive cruise control. And when it comes to tech, the R1S has got plenty of screen real estate with a 12.3-inch driver display screen, a 15.6-inch front infotainment screen, and a 6.8-inch rear screen. Finally, let's talk about the trims and prices. The standard R1S trim starts at $75,900, while the Ascent trim starts at $105,900. You can also opt for additional features like cargo crossbars, a premium sound system, and a dynamic glass roof. And that's it for today's review of the 2025 Rivian R1S. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next video.